Hey guys, in today's video, welcome to my channel Learn With Me. I am Aishwarya Chauhan and you are watching me on Learn With Me. So in today's video, we are going to, here we are going to see, there are four parts of noun. Here you can see, there are four parts of noun. But in this class, we are going to study the noun kinds. Okay, so let's get started. So after that, yes, this is our noun kinds. So noun kinds means in this episode lecture we are going to see the nouns under its. Wait a moment. In this class we are going to see the noun and its kinds. Kinds means types. So let's start. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. So noun is a naming word and it can be the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. Now wait a moment. Yes. Ritu went to market with his dog, and vegetables are to buy some vegetables. Okay, so wait a moment. Okay, so Ritu went to the market with his dog to buy vegetables. So Ritu is a name of a person, and market is a name of a place, and dog is a name of an animal, and vegetables are the things. Is that clear? So now we are going to see the kinds of nouns. So what are the kinds of noun? So there are mainly uh, 5 kinds of noun. 3 are important and 2 are more. Okay, so main are these our main 3 are proper sorry our main 3 are proper noun, common noun, and abstract noun. Okay, and the material noun and collective noun are are uh, are means are more. Okay, are, you can say, are etc. Are more. Okay, so proper noun. First we are going to see here the proper noun. Okay, so a special name given to a particular, wait a moment. Okay, so the proper noun. So what is a proper noun? Okay, so sorry, wait a moment. A special name given. Very sorry. Wait a moment. So a special name given to a particular person, place, or a thing is called a proper noun. Okay, and a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Is that clear? So a special name. Wait a moment. Yes. A special name given to a special name given to a particular person, place, or a thing is called a proper noun, and a noun always begin with a capital letter. Is that clear? Okay. So first see here. So now we are going to see here some examples. Okay, so the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Priyanka is a beautiful girl. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Taj Mahal, Agra, Priyanka, P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru and India are the special name given by a place and a person. So that's why these are proper noun. Proper noun means when it is very proper, because we know that it is a proper noun. It is proper and it is proper and it has a definite name. Okay, it has a definite name. How it would be definite, let me tell you. Okay, so if I say here Ashwi, okay, if it is Ashwi, so it is the name of a definite or a proper name of a girl. And if I say she, so it is not a proper noun, because we don't know that who is a she. So it is indefinite. Okay, it is indefinite. So it is also a type of a noun. We will study it later. But Ashwi is a proper noun because it is the name of a definite girl. Okay. Okay. Now let's see to another. Yes. Now here we are going to see the common noun. The example that we have taken here, Ashwi and the she. So this is the proper noun. Okay, this is the proper noun, and thus she is the common noun. Okay, so she is the common noun. Okay, let's see how. So the name given to all things of a person of one kind known as common nouns. Okay, so a name that is given to all things of a person in only one kind is known as common noun. How? Let's see. Here we have taken the example she. Is that clear? Wait a moment. Yes. So she we have taken. So she belongs to one kind. Okay, she belongs to whole one kind that is used for girl. Am I clear? Am I audible? Okay. So she is used in one kind, in one whole kind, that is girl kind. Okay, because we don't use she in the animal kind or in the boys kind. Okay, so that's why she belongs to whole one kind, that is girl. But the ashwi but the ashwi belongs to a specific girl, that is only she, because not whole in your class, not whole girl name is Ashwi. Okay, only one girl named Ashwi, two girl, three girl, most of three. Not whole class should be a name of Ashwi, and not whole class should be the name of Rahul. Okay, there are also more names like Pooja, Jannat, and then Shrishti, and in boys like Gurvit, Daksh, and Rudra. So many names are there. Okay, now see some examples. The girls, I have tell you that girls is denoting all the one kind, that is a girl, and Ashwi is belonging to only one kind, that is Ashwi. Okay, now the boys, and the boys also belongs to one kind, that, and football is a name of a thing, but why it is a common noun? Can anyone tell me? Yes, you can tell me on the comment, or okay, on the comment box. And because here we are not discussing that, yes, it is a name of a specific ball, but why it the football is a common noun? Can anyone tell me? Because there are also brands of football. Okay, there are also brands of football. Here I am going to show you the brands of football. Okay, so as you can see that here, this is the image of the Adidas football. Okay, so if here it is said that, so if here it is said that the boys were playing Adidas football, then the Adidas would be the proper noun, and sorry, and the football would be the common noun because it is not a name. And the name of a football is Adidas. Okay, okay. So now the parents were chatting with the teachers. So here it is name parents. The name of parents, you can say mom, and the name of mom, Sunita. You can say that in this way. Okay, okay. Now here, see what is written here. Wait a moment. I don't know what is going on. Please wait a moment. Okay. So let's see, in the above sentences, bold words are common nouns. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, so now it is our collective. Wait. I yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So now here we are going to do the sorry. Yes, so here we are going to do now collective nouns. Okay. So what are collective nouns? A collective noun is a name of given to a group of similar things or persons. Means the name that is given to a group. Okay, a group means to a breed. You can say to a breed that is belong to that breed. The peoples or the things or the animal that belongs to that breed, we name to that is known as collective. Here see, you can see group. In group there is the collection, there is collection of the thing. Okay, so collection means collective now. Is that clear? Okay, so see here, now what we are going to see. Okay, sorry, a herd. A herd of cattle is okay. So a herd of cattle is grazing, and herd, because it is the herd means it is a group that is used for the cattle, and the cattle means our, you can say, our pet or our household or our domestic animals. Okay, a bench means majestics, magistrates, uh, magistrates. Okay, so magistrates means a group of magistrates, means a bench of magistrates takes the decision. Now our team has won the match. If we see that in football there is a team, okay, in cricket there is also a team, that we say that it is an Indian cricket team, it is an Australian cricket team. Okay, 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 so now let's see. Okay, so now it is in. Wait a moment. Okay, I don't know what is going on. Yes, now clear that in the above groups that in the above sentences bold words are collective noun as they are the names of groups or collections. Okay, are collections, and the collective noun is treated as a singular noun. Okay, so how is the collective noun is treated as? Yes, collective noun is treated as a singular noun. Is that clear? Okay, now we are going to do, let's do. Okay, so New Delhi is the capital of India. Here India is a proper noun or a collective noun or a common noun or abstract noun. We sorry, here we have to tell the India that what is the India is which type of noun. So it is a proper, wait, so our answer is proper noun. Why our answer is proper noun? Because, see here, because in our first page we have here learned that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, and it is a name that is given to a particular person, place, or a thing is a proper noun. Proper noun. Okay, so here also what we have seen, that here also we have seen that the India, the word India, sorry, yes, the word India has The word India has the capital letter and it is the name of a specific place, our India. Now see, his mother is a teacher. What is which type of noun is this? That his mother is a teacher. So his mother is a teacher. So teacher is a, yeah, teacher is a common noun. Why it is common noun? Because it is, the word teacher is going to tell the whole group, means whole kind, okay, whole kind, because teacher is only one kind, not engineering, and doctor is also a teacher. So that's why, and it is denoting one, only one kind. So that's why it is the common noun. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Now see here, third, Rahul. Rahul is a good player. So Rahul is a name of a specific person. So what is this? Yes, this is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific. Sorry. Yes, because it is the name of a specific person, Rahul, specific boy. Okay. Now flock. The word flock. It is a collective noun. Why it is a collective noun? Sorry. Yes. Wait a moment, please. Yes. Because it is a flock of a sheep. It is a flock of a sheep. Okay. So that's why it is a collective noun. Now, a swarm of bees. Swarm of bees is also a collective noun because it is the swarm of bees. Okay. Now we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So oh, here the Andes is the name of a Andes. The Andes is the name of a person. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar is the name of a cricketer. You can say that. Thursday is the name of a day. Okay. And the Red Fort is the name of a place. And the Indonesia is the name of also a, can say, a country. And Christmas is the name of a festival, you can say. And the Quran is the name of a prayer, you can say. Okay. Okay, now write proper of the following collective nouns. Okay, so we have to write proper. Wait. So here we have to write the proper nouns of the following common nouns. So here there is a common noun, and see, you can see here that this is a common noun, 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 and this. So this whole is a common noun. Sorry, and here also sorry. So this is a common noun, and also this is a common noun. Okay. Okay. So here we have to make the proper noun of it. So dog, you can say Bruno, isn't it? Yes, Bruno. Man, you can say Aman. Aman, because Aman is the name of a man. So Aman. Store, you can say cosmetic. Cosmetic store. Okay. Candy, can say mm, Benel Candy. City, you can say Faridabad city. Village, you can say mm, yes, you can say Jhansi village. Jhansi village. School, you can say DAV school. Bird, we can say the parrot bird. Okay, so these are the proper noun that we have made through these common noun. Okay. Sugar. Okay, now we have to here put these collective noun in the blanks below. Now here these are collective nouns. See here. So here these are our collective nouns, and here we have to put these into these sentences. So the police discovered the what? What? Yes, I am going to here do you as a comment. This is your homework. You have to find out. If any doubt, contact me on this number 95829907. If any type of doubt in any subject, because I'm going to teach you all the subjects on this channel. Learn with me. Okay, so now we have gone to the material noun. Wait a moment. See here, 1, 2, then 3. There are 3 pages, so I guess we have to do this and this in the part 2. So yes, we will be meeting in our part 2. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now I'm going to tell you my number 95829950007. Okay. Okay. And you have not to call, you have to message me only. Okay. If I have not seen, so I will message you back. Message will be back. Message can be back. Okay. Okay, so this is my number. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And bye. So in today's chapter we have learned this chapter now, and it's sorry. Yes. So in this chapter we have learned noun and its kinds. chapter 3, and here a noun is a naming word. But okay, so bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.